Okay, good morning once again. Everyone, please listen carefully. So, welcome to your first class. And okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Roshan. I am from Evision, Bangalore Center. So, this is your class for N plus basics. That means networking basics. And this is the foundation course for your CCNA routing and switching and Windows and Linux administration. So very, very important. So this is the schedule. So this is a 5-day class. On Saturday, you will have a mock interview. Okay, so we will be covering these topics as mentioned here. Today we are going to cover definition types, technology, and sharing. And tomorrow we will cover devices and media. Wednesday standards, network standards, and network protocols. Network Thursday, network models, IP addressing. We will start IP addressing. And on Friday we will cover IP addressing completely and with security, network security. On Saturday, you have a mock interview. So being regular is very, very important. And see, every day there will be a presentation. So the topics will be like this. So today I will take the name of you guys here, like in the alphabetical order. So who comes first? For example.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, your voice is not much of clear, sir. There will still some disturbances, sir.
What kind of disturbance are you talking about?
Sir, the background,
like
sir.
Is it fluctuating?
Your surrounding sound, sir.
Breaking? Is my voice breaking?
Now it is fine, sir. Now it is fine, sir.
So don't listen to anything else. Listen to what I'm saying. Okay, Rohan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And okay. So these are the topics. So, so for example, Anshuman. So first Anshuman. DK Sharma. Dasharath Gram. Okay. Devruti, for example. Okay. Devaruti. Okay, fine. Oh, it is wrong. Devruti, right? Right, Devruti. Okay. So for notes, we have to take screenshots, and there will be presentations every day. I will give you one topic, and you have to talk the topic in 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. So those who don't have, so those who have PCs, you can create presentations in PowerPoint. Those who don't have PCs, use WPS for Android. Okay. Use WPS for Android. Is it clear, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so I will show you the notes here. I will explain, and you can take the notes, take screenshots for notes. And to make sure that you are not sleeping. Yes, Karthik, good morning. You want to say something? Karthik,
Yes, sir.
good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So I want to tell you one more thing. Zoom will disconnect after 40 minutes to make sure that you are concentrating here.
Sure.
Sometimes, most of the time, what happens, students will come here, they will log into this one, and they will leave the session. So to make sure that you are here, you are concentrating, I'm going to tell you, okay, when Zoom is going to disconnect. After 40 minutes, it will disconnect. So log in again. It's not a very big Herculean task, right? So it's just like a break for you guys. Okay. So is it clear, everyone, so far? Okay. Notes, take screenshots, very important. Use PowerPoint for so PC and laptops. Those who have PCs or laptops, they can take presentation, create presentations in PowerPoint slides. If you don't have PC or laptop, you can use WPS program and Android program. Freely available. Just search for WPS in your Play Store. Okay. Okay, fine. Yes, Yogesh, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay, fine. And you take it easy for you, right, Yogesh? I'm not saying about those who don't. So I'm talking about those who don't have PC or laptop. Don't say the excuse that I don't have a PC or laptop. Clear, everyone? Hello, guys. So it is
Hello,
really
sir.
very important.
Good morning. Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, I have one doubt, sir. Actually, hello.
I'm listening.
Yes, sir. Present, I'm doing job, sir. Due to my busy session, I was not attend. So, sir, can I record this session?
What are you using? Smartphone?
Hello.
Or are you using a smartphone or PC? Or
Yes, a
laptop?
smartphone, sir.
In smartphone, there are so many applications to record your screen. You can use that.
Okay, can I record this?
Yes, of course. The screen recorder.
Yeah, one. For smartphone purpose or is any laptop purpose, your yeah.
See
Okay.
what? See, you want to record it, right? Naveen Kumar, you
Yes.
want to record it. You
Yes,
use
yes.
any app in your smartphone, record it. And then
Sir, how to take screenshot in laptop?
you can see a print button in your keyboard.
Which one, sir?
Print screen. PRNT.
Okay, I got it.
See, I will show you. So, see, like this. Even I am taking.
This,
See, see, I will press print screen. Then I will open MS Paint. Home Paint. What it? Hello. Understood?
yes, sir.
Okay. So just now I took the pins. Okay. Today is 19, right? 19/07/2021. Okay, let us start. So these are the topics we will cover. So definition, types of networks, CSMA, CD technology, devices, media, standards, protocols, models, IP addressing, security. So let us start with the definition. So if I ask you the definition for networks, especially we are talking about computer networks, okay, you will come with different. So, wait a second. Okay. So you will come with the different definitions for a network. But we can use a common definition here. It's an interconnection, connection between systems. So there is a connection between systems. Why do we connect systems? There are two main purposes. That's the first one. So you want to communicate with other people and sharing resources. So we will see the meaning of this. So why do we need connection between system for purpose of communication? Let us see this communication here. So there are two people here. You can see in this image. So this person A and B are talking to each other, but the distance between A and B is very less. They are standing very close to each other. So A will talk something to B, B can hear, B will talk something to A. So that is the common thing. So when people are close together, the second case, A and B are not standing. See, they're not standing very close to each other. There is a distance between A and B. So A will talk loudly to B. B will talk loudly to A, so that they can hear each other and they can communicate. Third case, A and B are not standing very close to each other. There is a distance separating between them, maybe 200 meters, 500 meters, 100 meters, or 1 kilometer. Even if A talks loudly, B will not hear. And vice versa. Even if B talks loudly, A will not hear. So in this case, you need a system between A and people. That system is called a network. Okay. Earlier we had postal networks, telegrams, telephones, etc. But nowadays we are using computer networks, right? Computer networks are not only used for communication, but sharing resources. What is sharing resources? Let us see. So we will see a scenario here. So you have a smartphone. Assume that you have a smartphone. In this smartphone, you are going to take a picture. You are taking
Excuse
a selfie.
me, sir.
Yes.
There is a disturbance background, sir.
It is a road. Can I tell someone to see that person will go? Don't listen to that.
No, it's irritating, sir. It's more.
See, it is irritating to me also. Sudhir. he is not going to stay here. That person, he the road and he will leave in 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, you want to take a picture. Okay, so you took a selfie in your phone. So you took a picture and you want to send this picture to your friend using WhatsApp or something like that. How will you do that? You will go to gallery, you will search for the picture, and what you will do, you will select this option, share, right? Share the picture. So you can share picture, you can share audio, video, and text messages. So these things, these items you can share in a network, they are together called data. Okay, first case, sharing between systems. That is the first case you can see here. Share data. Okay. Now, the second case, see, sharing a connection. Okay.
Sir, hello. Sorry for the interruption.
Yes.
Hello.
Hmm.
I was started your recording, sir, but voice is not visible, sir. Only screen is recording.
So you are concerned about this recording purpose. You have to check for other applications, Naveen. Check
Yeah,
for other
Naveen,
applications.
there I am also working on another company,
Yeah.
sir. So I'm using a tool that Naveen, you can use A Power
Sorry,
Is
sorry.
it?
A power.
Soft. A
Please,
Power
can you
Soft
paste
online.
this in chat?
See, I
Yeah,
will open it here in open Google. What is that? Harsha? Air
yeah,
power,
sir.
right?
It is A Power Soft online screen recording.
A power online recording.
Air
Yeah,
power
A Power
soft
Soft.
screen recorder.
Okay, okay.
Exactly.
Is it available in Play Store?
No, actually, I am doing it in PC. Actually, I don't think so. It is available in Play Store.
I am using present smartphone, brother.
Then I can't do any help. It's your problem.
Yeah.
See, it is there. It's available, right? I mean,
Yeah, sir.
you can use this one. Okay.
In which yeah, what's that? A power software screen recorder.
Can't you see it on the screen?
Oh yeah, 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 yes, yes,
Type
yes,
this
yes.
in your Google
Yeah,
Play
yeah.
Store
Okay,
and
okay,
it
okay,
will
okay,
appear.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So share a connection. So what do you mean by that? Again, see, in this smartphone, you have an internet connection. And your friends, they don't have internet connections in their smartphones, but they can use your smartphone's internet. You will share this internet connection, right? Using hotspot. So here you are sharing a connection. So you can share a connection also. So you can share data, you can share connection. Okay. Third case, see, in this office, there are two people working and there is a printer connected to this person's computer. So this is person A, this is person B. So this printer is directly connected to his printer and print to this printer. What if this person B wants to print to this printer? So he will share this printer in this network. See, printer is a device. In this case, we are sharing a device. So third case, we are sharing device. See, this is my desktop, right? This is my desktop and you are seeing my desktop because I am sharing my desktop. Desktop is an application and I am sharing an application here. So we can share application. So these items, whatever you can share in a network, they are together called what? Resources. So that is the meaning of this definition here. See, network is an interconnection. There should be connection between systems or phones or whatever devices you are using in a network. And what are the purposes of networks? Communication, enable communication. Earlier, this was only our intention to make networks. Nowadays, we are using it for sharing resources. So, share means make something available. And resources, whatever you can share. Whatever you can share in a network, they are called resources. So that is the definition. Clear, everyone? Hello, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes, sir.
asking everyone. Mayur is
Yes,
here.
sir.
Sorry,
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Sunil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have a definition for networks. So, and we want to study about networks in detail. So just like we have the definition for cats, cat is a domestic animal, and I want to study about cats in detail. So I will divide cats into different types based on, say, certain criteria like location, from where the cat is coming from. Is it an African cat, Indian cat, color of the cat, black cat or white cat or brown cat, size of the cat, big cat or small cat. Like that, I'm going to divide the network into different types based on different criteria. First one is architecture model. Second one is based on area. Third one is based on G. So let us see first one. So based on architecture model. So this type is based on the location of the data in a network. Location of data in a network. So in a network, say you have two systems. I can keep the data in one place, that is in this system only, or I can keep the data in both these two systems. So how will I keep the data in a network?
Sir, your voice is going to break down, sir.
Who is saying this?
Sir, Debadruti here.
Yes.
Sir, your voice is coming to me is breakdown, sir.
You
There
need
is
to
a pause.
you need to check your network connection there, Bruti.
Sir, okay, sir, but it shows a full tower shows to me. Our network connection.
My network connection is very good.
Okay, sir.
Is also
So
very good.
okay. Okay, sir. Continue.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hmm.
So let me take, today is a special day. Let me take the attendance of all you guys first. Because most of these days, how many of you will? Who was the other one? Richie. Okay, we were talking about different types. So first one is based on location of data. You can see, you can say. So we will see. Based on location of the data. So in this case, you can see here, there are 3 files of data. See, in the first network, I am keeping the data only on one system, system A. All the files are in one system. But in the second case, I am keeping the data in different systems, A, B, and C. So if we keep the data in one location, in one place, that model is called client server model. If we keep the data in different locations, that is called peer-to-peer model. So we have three terms here: client, server, and peer. So let us see the meaning of those words. So assume that this is you. Okay. You are going to a shop to buy something. So the basic action you will do is to ask for the, so suppose that you are going to buy a phone. So you must ask, right? The basic thing you have to do is to ask for the phone. The basic action the shopkeeper will do is that he will give the phone to you, right? He will give the phone to you. So these are the two actions that will be conducted in this transaction. Clear? Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
these are the two
Yes,
actions
sir.
done. Okay, these are the two actions done by all the systems in all the networks. Some systems will ask for something, some systems will give something. The process of asking is known as requesting, or process of giving is known as providing. Okay. Any system that will request something is known as a client. Any system that will provide something is known as a server. Okay, so that is the meaning of a client. Client is a system that will request something, a service or a resource. So here in this image, you can see this is a client system and this is a server system. And this system is requesting this file from this server, and this server is providing this file to this client. Okay, let us see the meaning of client and server in detail. So server is a system that provide a resource or service. Example, Gmail server. So when we access Gmail or any other emails, so suppose that you are using your smartphone to access Gmail. So your smartphone is the client machine and Gmail server is the server machine, and it provides the Gmail email service to your client machine. See, servers have much more capacity than clients, like processing, storage, memory capacity than. Why is that? Because at any moment, thousands, even millions, maybe we don't know, maybe 1,000, 10,000, 5,000 clients may be accessing one or two servers at the same time. So server machines must be very powerful machines. Client is a system that requests a resource or service accessing smartphone. So when you access Gmail in your smartphone is the client machine, which is accessing the email service from Gmail, and Gmail server is the client machine. Sorry, server machine. Clients are also known as nodes, host, or workstation. You can call it as this name. Client is a system that requests. This is the main function done by a client. Server is a system that provide a resource or a service. So there are additional nodes here. You can use these nodes for your presentations. And examples for servers. So see, these are some examples for server machines like application server, database server, email server, file server, FTP server. You can read it. It is very easy to understand. Now, so that is based on location of the data. So let us see client server model in detail. So in a client server model, every system will act as a client or server. See, oh, this is the keyword here. So why is that? This system has data. These systems does not have data. This system can only provide this data. It cannot request anything from these machines because they don't have any data. They provide this data, no, request this data, and they can, so this system can only provide. These systems can only request. Okay. male or female, not both. Okay. Client or server, only providing, only requesting, not both functions together. But in case of peer-to-peer model, see, every system will act as a client and server. And see, this system has data, this system also has data, and this system can provide this data to this system. So it is providing data, and at the same time, this system can request this data. So providing and requesting at the same time. So they have equal functions like transgender, neither male nor female. Okay, both server and client. So additional notes you can take. You can use this in your presentations. Okay, now, so that is based on area covered. Next one is based on that was based on what location of data, right? Nobody said it was. Are you guys sleeping? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, see, assume that, see, there is a building. In this building, there are 2 floors, first floor and second floor. There are 2 rooms each in, so there is a room here. This is room 1, another room 2. This is first floor. This is second floor. There is a network here. Let us call this network as N1. We can say that this network is covering the area of that single room, isn't it? See, this network is covering the area of this single room, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, there is a network, okay, there is a network in room 2. If I connect this network 1 to this network in room 2, I connect this network to, sorry, okay, to this network, we can now say that this network is covering the area of this single floor, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is another network in second floor. Okay, if I connect this network to this network, now I can say this network, network 1 is covering the area of this single building, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second network is called LAN, local area network. Okay. Now, like that, the first case, there is a building, there is a network in that building that cover the area of this single building, that is called as a local area network. And see, second case, campus area network. See, there are 3 buildings separated by small distances between them. And if we connect the networks in these small buildings, as the building separated by small distance, we will get a network known as campus area network, which will cover a smaller geographic area. And third one, see, this is the image of a very big city. There are buildings separated by larger distances. Okay. So the distance may be 2 kilometers between these 2 buildings. The distance between these 2 buildings may be 10 kilometers. And if we connect networks at larger distances in a very big city, that will cover the area of a very big city like that, we will get a network known as metropolitan area network. Finally, we have WAN, wide area network. What are they? So you can see this is the image of or map of USA, America. It's a very, very big country. There are many cities in different parts of the separated by thousands of kilometers. And if there are networks in these cities, and if you connect these networks, you will get what is known as WAN, wide area network. See here, this network is covering the area of this single city, country. There is a network in India also. If you connect the network in India to the network in USA, you can say it is covering the area of two continents or two, almost the complete area of the Earth. So India is in the opposite side of, see, if you take the globe map, you can see India and USA are positioned exactly at the opposite side of the Earth, correct? Have you seen that? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
It is covering the entire area.
Yes, sir.
Such a network is known as, and that person is coming back. These are religious people who ask for